Order cable. Okay, y'all were right. That was much easier.
Your destination is on the right.
218 Admiral Circle. This must be it. It was. This is 218. Morning. So you have some appliances or
Washer and dryer.
washer and dryer? Awesome, thank you.
They actually, I mean, I know you scrap and everything, but one of them actually does work pretty well. If you
Okay.
look at it. The other one, I think it's the dryer.
Yeah,
And I mean, it does work. It's just got issues. So.
got you.
That one is the one that's worth scrapping. You want to try to sell it or something?
Well, I may try to sell that other one then.
The washer works. It's the dryer that doesn't. When they decide to use the dryer, they just got two new ones. So.
Got you. I've done that before. Definitely done that before. Well, we finally got somewhat of a sunshiny day.
Yeah, a little bit. Ain't too bad. Now, when I lived in Florida, I did a lot of scrapping too.
Oh, did you really?
I love scrapping. It's a good little hobby.
Well, I do it. You know why I do it. You probably saw the ad, I guess. My daughter's got cancer, so it kind of helps us out. I'm retired.
Yeah, I'm sorry to hear that as well.
All right.
Glad you got a dog.
Yeah, I don't like having to carry things.
Yeah.
I'm not able to carry things anymore.
Yeah, I'm supposed to take it easy on my back, but I never do. I fell off roofs.
Oh my God.
I was a roofer back in Florida.
Dude, you had a hard job.
Oh, dude, it only, honestly, it's not a hard job. It's hot in Florida. It is just hot.
Yeah.
The only hard part is if you work with shingles. I didn't work with shingles. Let me get on the other side of it.
Oh, see if I can get turned now. I watch a guy that scraps in Florida on YouTube, and I find it interesting.
Well,
because you can.
Florida's went down quite a bit too.
Yeah, well, you can drive around and find it. People put it out.
Oh no, I'm talking about the prices.
Yeah. Prices are down all across the country.
Oh, are they?
Yeah.
They're low here too now.
7 cents a pound. It's not as low as it could be.
Yeah.
No doubt. But yeah, I watch him. I enjoy watching him. What I normally do is just, I'll set it down. I'll walk it up. Seems like it's easier for me to do that. And then it slides usually.
Yeah, it's gonna hook this time.
Sometimes it slides. Depends on where, I guess. I got it. I'm tear it all apart anyway.
Yep. That's what I usually do. I never throw anything full. You gotta take all the copper out and everything else.
Yep.
That's how you get your most money.
Yeah, otherwise it's
Waste, it's all considered dirty.
yeah, definitely.
Yeah, I miss scrapping. It's just I ain't got a truck no more. This is my girlfriend's dad's truck. I'm
Yeah,
about to get rid of that piece of crap and then get me a new vehicle.
yeah, I like that truck.
Yeah, he ain't even finished paying that thing off.
Yeah, they think a lot of them.
This piece of shit though, I end up getting rid of. It's a junk.
Wow, somebody's blowing my phone up.
It's been sitting outside, so it might need a good little washing before you turn it over or something.
All right.
Other than that,
Yeah, I wish people set stuff out on the curb like they do in Florida and other places.
Florida, they don't give a damn, dude. They feel everywhere.
But you drive around, you can literally drive around and pick up appliances and I don't know
Talking about here or in Florida?
in Florida.
Oh, damn.
I don't know what the difference is, why we don't do that here. I don't know if it's just people's not informed that people will pick it up, or if it's a waste management issue here.
Yeah, I've noticed you don't really see that as much. Maybe it's just too much of a city town. But you're right though. In Florida, I used to do this too. I never put ads on Craigslist or nothing, but I would drive around like you said and just pick shit up. And shoot, even if you go like driving in the woods in your truck one day or something, people throw truck beds, like old truck beds that are metal and everything.
Wow.
Yeah, we used to find.
Yeah, I've noticed that on there, Michigan, Illinois. And all that. Woo! Watch your fingers. Awesome. Thank you so much.
Oh, no problem.
I'm gonna get on here and tear it all apart anyway, so I'll have to move it around. But
That's what you do,
I really appreciate it.
Yes, sir.
More than you know. I'll have to come this way with it. You'll have to let it down. This gate slides, and it's really annoying. Need to put a tack weld on it. Thanks, man.
Yes, sir.
Appreciate you. Tell whoever had the appliances I appreciate it too.
Yes, sir, will do.
Thank you so much. And that was Tina. Okay, because it's hard to match the responses on the post with the text messages.
Yeah, well, the responses on the post was from her. The text messages was me.
Got you. Thank you. Morning. got it. Got the washer and the dryer. Oh, that grass sure is pretty. My goodness alive, that is too. Must be a competition between the nut. Whoop. That house didn't get the memo on the grass. I wouldn't know what to do if my grass looked like that. Okay. Focus, Daryl, focus. Scrap metal. Alright, so I guess now I'm gonna head home and figure out what's up. Know I'm gonna be making a trip to the big city soon to pick up some stuff that I've been notified about. That's an hour-and-a-half drive away, so I'm gonna try to plan to have a trailer load pickup when I go. So next week is supposed to be relatively nice outside with very little rain. I hope, fingers crossed, because we're floating away here. May not look like it right now, but all the rivers and creeks are flooded. So we got a little break, and it's supposed to start in again tonight through Saturday, raining heavy. So we have a slight break today. But yeah, next week I'll be going to pick up some vehicles. So, and I got to go back and do some cutting on the trailer frame and everything. So, see how all that goes. So let me figure out what I'm going to do the rest of the day. I'm probably going to go ahead and strip these appliances back here and get the wire and stuff out of them, and get them stacked on here and strapped down permanently. I know I've got another appliance to pick up about a half an hour from here. Maybe I can get a few more things in that area and go do that. We'll see how it works out. All right, I'll talk to you later. All right, let's strip some wires. Then I got to get a giant transfer case out here and try to pressure wash it while it's not pouring down rain. Let me get my wire cutters. Beep, beep. That's another piece of aluminum that I want to get off there. And it's got all the switches on it. Let's see here. Maybe I can pry. There is a screw. I wonder if I can possibly break that off. Piece of thermocouple which reads the temperature inside the stove or the oven and that's copper, so save your thermocouples. That's a piece of copper there. Putting all the scrap stuff in this drawer to the stove. Let's see here. Can I pry it off? So that'll make my job a little easier. Let's see. Whoop, didn't mean to hit you in the head. Pry bar here. See if I can break that screw. That aluminum, you would think that aluminum would rip pretty easy, being thin and all. Like that. Oh, no. Scratch it. Still connected. Yes, Daryl, take the screw out. That's way too easy. Actually, I don't know how hard it would be to take it out. That's some tough aluminum. Plastic fell off. What about my Sawzall? There you go. Good thinking, Daryl. I'm sure y'all were screaming Sawzall, Sawzall, Sawzall. And I was thinking, no. It can't be that hard. But, whoops, that's a charger. But I give up. Y'all win. Y'all win. I break out the old Porter cable. Okay, y'all were right. That was much easier. Y'all were right. I'm not chasing these down any further. They're right there. See here. All right. Oh, yes. There we go. Must be a little light or something. The temperature comes up. See if I can get y'all adjusted. Looks like I'm gonna have this head coat until summer. Maybe eventually I will get rid of it. I don't know if I will or not, but hopefully I will. You know what I mean? But yes, my nose is just pouring, and I know y'all get tired of hearing it. I've tried. I've took antibiotics. I've tried. Can't seem to get it cleared up. Time to go off the antibiotics for a while. Can't have too many of them things. They cause more problems. Kidney function is down because I've been on antibiotics. So, yeah. Antibiotics are good and bad. Good and bad. Get up there. All right. Be right back. So I took time and took all the switches off of this control panel, off that old oven stove. That's aluminum, and it's pretty thick aluminum. Probably I won't get clean because it's got paint on it. They'll drop me usually about 10 cents because of the paint. But yeah, this and the top cap that went over the light cover was really thick aluminum, and I just been sticking it over here in my aluminum barrel. Here's that piece that come off the top of it. Got some cast aluminum that I've got to clean up, but it's mostly clean. Take all these bolts out of it. Throw them in my stove drawer over there. I need to pressure wash today my transfer case and get it cleaned a little better while it's sun and halfway warm. Next week I'm going to be on the road a lot. I don't really feel good today. I don't feel like scrapping. I don't feel like doing anything actually. So it's kind of annoying. I'm not sure what I've got going on, but I've got to get it checked out. 3 years ago I almost died with my heart. My aortic valve had just about completely quit working, and they found it in the nick of time. And I'm having the same symptoms now as I did then. Weakness, tiredness, staying sick a lot. So I don't know, go figure. I don't know. I don't know that it's my heart. My heart may be perfectly healthy now. I've got a lot of underlying physical issues. But if you hear me panting while I'm working, this GoPro picks up a lot of noise from me breathing. One, because my sinuses are stopped up, and I guess I get that nasally sound probably because the GoPro's on my forehead. But I don't know what's going on. I do know I'm seeing some doctors, so maybe it'll get resolved, worked out, taken care of sooner than later, I hope. That's my goal. I don't know, maybe here in a little bit I'll feel like doing a little more cleaning. I need to get that pressure washed while the weather's half decent. I do know I got to get that done because I'm hoping to get the engine and transmission back in the truck next month sometime, depending on how soon it gets finished by the guy doing the machine work. So fingers crossed that happens soon. I've started me another little wire collection, and yeah, I gotta get that mess cleaned up. Get it at least halfway washed up where we're not handling a big greasy mess. That's my goal. But yeah, I'm gonna stop right now. I'm just not feeling it today. I got one appliance stripped. Got some switches I'm saving up. Thank you, Backyard Scrapper, for giving me the motivation and incentive to save these switches and tear them apart one day and get the silver out of them, the contacts. At least that's my hope. I've got a nice little, that's a piece of aluminum, but I've got a nice little assortment of switches started, which should make life a lot easier. So anyway, I'm gonna sign off for right now and drop the wire. Still got some wires to cut off there, so I'll get that done and we'll go from there, folks. Thank y'all for being supportive and for watching, and I really appreciate y'all more than you know.